Okay, this is tear down of a 2016 Mini Cooper. Now, you first start with the two clips that are underneath the bottom of the dash. There's one on each side. Now, all you have to do is get a tool with a pointer. You push the clip on the inside, but don't push it too far because it is likely to fall inside the radio. Once it's pushed in, you grab the clip, you pull it out. Now, you do that also to the alternating side. Now, secondly, you will pry off the radio bezel trim. Now, you start from the bottom, work your way to the top, and just pry it off. Once that is removed, you have two Torx 10 or 14 screws on each side of the radio. You will take that out with a screwdriver. Then once the two Torx screws are removed, you have to come to the top of the radio, which there's a clip located right in the center of the dash panel. Now you will pull out that clip. You will pry it out from the bottom upwards, and then it will come out. That is the clip that will be locking it into the dash panel. So you have to be a little bit careful. Now, there is no pressure on it because there is just the holes at the back of the dash. So you don't really have to worry too much. It just takes a little pressure of rocking the unit from side to side until you remove it from that hole. Now, after that, you will just disassemble and unplug the main harnesses. Now, keep in mind that you don't want to turn the vehicle on in this process because you're eliminating airbag plugs. And if you don't have a scanner, you'll have to go to a shop to get that code removed. Once completed, you're going to take the radio and now put it to the side. And we will come back to part 2 of the video of the installation of the aftermarket module in a minute. Okay, so this is 4x4 shop installation of a 2016 Mini Cooper rear view camera interface unit. So this is the interface unit, and I've taken the supplied harnesses. This is your AV input harness. This is your video output LCD output harness. Make sure you note that this is the one going out of the unit. This is the one coming in from the car. Now, this is your power supply harness, which is going to be connected to the factory radio side that will give this its power and its CAN bus controls. Now, on the radio, you have to remove the air conditioning vents. So there's a Torx screw on both sides. Once you have that removed, you will need to remove the amplifier retaining screws that will allow the amplifier to drop forward. Once you do that, you will loosen the factory harness. Then you will plug the alternating side of the aftermarket harness into it. You will make sure that the pins are lined up, and then you will just slide your locking clip down, and then you will reinstall the other end of the harness. Okay, this is 4x4 shop interface module integration of a 2016 Mini Cooper. Now, we've already showed you how to remove the original radio from the factory screen. So, from the factory amplifier side of the unit, you're going to take the factory video plug and plug it into the LCD in of the interface module. Then from the LCD out on the interface module, you're going to plug it into the original screen interface plug from the factory unit. Then once you've run your backup camera wires into the dash, you're going to hook them up to the supplied video interface plug. Then you will plug in the rear camera plug, which will supply your 12-volt out to the rear camera. So no additional wires are needed to be installed at the back of the vehicle. Then you have your main harness plugged into the radio with the T-harness adapter that plugs into the back of the interface module to give it power and CAN bus settings. You will also be using the mode button and the IR button to set the interface settings on the unit. So this is your mode that will toggle the radio from video to aftermarket screen. Then you will be using the IR interface button with the supplied remote control to switch the video settings. Also, these are the toggle sweating settings that the unit will go by. Now just follow these settings exactly and you will get the right vehicle model and screen size and resolution. So you will see pin 1 is up, pin 2 is down, pin 3 is down, pin 4 is down, pin 5 is down, pin 6 is up, pin 7 is down, pin 8 is up. You will follow that combination exactly. Once you are done there, you will locate one of two spots, either at the back of the radio or towards the inside of the glove box to mount your installation module of the video interface. So there is a lot of space behind two locations. You can choose which one suits your needs best to put the module away safely so it doesn't vibrate or interfere with any of the factory components. And that is the installation of a 2016 Mini Cooper rear view backup camera installation module. Okay, this is 4x4 shop with an installation of a rear camera integration module of a 2016 Mini Cooper. This is the completed project. Now you get assistive park lines that adjust in conjunction with the trajectory of the steering wheel. And after, we will be showing you the rear camera installed in the back of the vehicle.
Hi everyone, this is Fred from 4x4 Shop. Today I want to show you the backup camera that we installed in the Mini Cooper. It's a 2017, basically it's 18. That's where the camera goes. So we use our NBT interface. As you can see, by going to reverse, the screen shifts to backup camera. It comes with dynamic parking guidelines, so by turning the steering wheel, the dynamic parking guidelines, they turn to. You can see the quality of our cameras. They're Sony CCD, super high quality. If you want to get this job done, give us a call. We are welcoming dealers, installers, or mini dealers are mostly welcome. Just give us a call and book your appointment and ask for wholesale prices. Our phone number is 905-604-4294, or you can visit our website at 4x4shop.ca. Thank you and have a great day.